Ladies and gentlemen, this is the NA versus on the first possession. Here we go, the big one. Oh, NA versus Butler.
Nicholson's kick. Down in the end zone.
Illegal motion on that play, 1st and 15, Butler.
Number 16.
After that sack on Richie. Need to get some load going here.
McClellan hands off.
Third and 15.
Nice goal pop.
McClellan runner on the
4th and punting situation.
In his own end zone, preparing to punt, number 16, Rich McClellan. To receive the punt, number 26, Jackie Walsh.
The illegal motion play, we got 1st and 15 for NA. Wrap the flag again on the play. We'll wait and see what the call is. Sides on Butler in that time, encroachment. 1st and 10 again. On this play.
Smith pitches to Poppleton. Brett Poppleton, number 11 for the Tigers on the carry.
9 on the 35.
Number 9, Randy Smith pass.
That interception by Jaron Holowski.
McClellan pitches to number 35, Jaron Holowski.
2nd and 15 after that sack in the backfield by the NA defense. He had penalty there, 1st and 10. Another flag on a play. We had a penalty there, encroachment by the NA defense. 1st and 5.
McClellan hands off to Holowski.
No gain on that play. On the 50.
McClellan dropped in his own backfield, fumble on the play, recovered by the Tigers. Carrying the ball for the Tigers, number 30, Matt Bundick.
In that play, 2nd and 10 remain.
To number 7, Andrew Berry. Berry corralled by number 44.
Play here. Butler's defense holding up extremely well. Both teams defensively oriented. Jaron.
Number 35, Jaron Holoski. Number 29, Mike Rock. Number 11, Brett Poppleton, set to punt for NA. The punt is fielded by number 29, Mike Rock, going to
Non-punt return.
yard line.
Butler deep in their own territory here. Needs something to loosen up this defense of NA's. Completion of Brad Morrow. 1st and 10, Mike Lucheski's in. Maybe the long bomb here.
Number 20.
Tornadoes. Third and 7 in order for Butler to pick up another first down.
Number 16, Rich McClellan, handing off to number 30. Nothing. Tie between the North Allegheny Tigers.
After a gain of 10.
Smith hands off to number 7 and
12 on the 42 after that illegal procedure by NA.
number 30, Matt Bundick on the carry.
3rd and 4 at the 50-yard line.
Number 9, Randy Smith for the Tigers on the keeper. Set the punt for NA, number 11, Brett Poppleton. Deep for Butler, Jaron Holoski and Mike Rock. Poppleton's kick.
Second and 9.
We're in a mess,
Third and 10 almost.
Deep to receive the punt for the Tigers, number 83, Jason Rice. Number 16, Rich McClellan set the punt for Butler.
Get it on the hop. Let's go to back.
Carrying the ball for the Tigers, number 30.
10-yard gain on that play. 1st and 10 on the 20. Butler's 20. on the 11-yard line.
Quarterback sneak foul by number 9, Randy Smith. Set to attempt the point after. The kick is no good. Oh. Recover. McClellan pitches to Pulaski. Number 9, Randy Smith on the quarterback keeper. Taking control of the game, 1st and 10. Ball on their own 47-yard line. McClellan, touch number 29, Mike Rock. 1 yard for Butler.
Butler!
47-yard line of the Tigers.
Let's go, Butler!
McClellan's pass complete to the Butler. Ball on the NA 27-yard line. McClellan's pass intended for number 20's 13-yard line. Just under a minute to go in this first half.
What did you do? You get a run of it.
Ah, come on!
McClellan hands up.
2nd and about 8 on the 11-yard line. Ritchie.
with a 3-point field goal.
Left in the second quarter. Butler kicking off to NA. Back deep in the end zone, not returnable. 1st and 10 on the 20. There still remains 35 seconds in the first half. NA on offense. They seem content to just run it out.
Number 9 ran the Tigers. Number 9
beginning of the second half of the NA Butler
Number
game.
11 Brett
NA leading 6-3.
Andrew Berry.
Game will be underway momentarily.
There's the kick. Taken by number 34, Dale Nelson. Dale Nelson takes the kickoff deep in.
First and goal on the 6th. For the point after. Nicholson kickoff fielded by number 44, Brian Mitchell.
Flags out, guys, stop!
Number 65. Number 6.
3rd and 11 on the 35.
Hey, you need the umbrella, baby. I'm getting dropped on me.
Ball is fast, intercepted by Poppleton, taking into the end zone for a touchdown, Tigers.
Hey, watch it.
Point after is good. NA taking lead over the Tornado. 30, Hardy. Nicholson, immediately you're blocking a right-of-way. Red Ford station wagon behind the auditorium.
Okay, I need a ride. Oh, okay.
Mullen hands off.
2nd and about 2. 8-yard gain on that play by Vardy. First and 10 on the 35 after Savannah's gain.
Butler! Good play.
Vardy carries the ball to about the 30. Ball on their own 32-yard line. Poppleton gets the carry.
7.
Number
3rd and 1. First and 10. After the gain of only the short yardage to get the first down. Second down, about 2.
For the Tigers offense.
Five on the 47 yard of NA.
Poppleton being toppled once again.
4th and 6.
Fourth down and 6.
NA declines to
Deep for
try for
Butler,
the
number
first.
29, Mike Rock. Number
Shut up,
35,
Mickey.
Jared Nolotsky. Poppleton back to punt for the Tigers.
That's right.
Carrying the ball for Butler.
Big first down on Jaron's carry there. Boost the Tornadoes into NA territory. Oh.
Get it, Mikey. Got it, boy.
McClellan's pass deflected, but caught by number 29, Mike Rock.
And real short yardage here. Hopefully Butler can muster some offense to pick up the first down.
McClellan on the keeper.
4th and short, 4th and about a yard. First and 10 on NA 35 here after that carry by Jaron.
How do you say that to me?
Carry the ball for Butler.
3 after Vardy's carry.
Nice one. Okay. Good effort. Good effort.
After no gain on that play. On the 23. First and 10 on the 20.
He didn't even look. He just turned and wheeled it.
The end of 3 quarters, we got Butler 3, NA 19.
Number 30, Matt Bundy, getting the call for ticket. Please report to the snack bar
Got second
on
and
the
14
home side
here.
of the field.
I thought the ball was...
Back up.
We got 3rd and 9 on the 21-yard line. All right, good defensive play.
Poppleton set the punt for NA. Punt is fielded by 35, Jaron Nolotsky.
We got 1st and 10 here. Butler in possession of the ball after the punt. Not much of a return. 3rd and 6 on the 27 for NA. Need a big play here.
Lead to number 11, Brett Poppleton. Making the tackle for Butler, Mike Rock, number receiver for Butler, number 35, Jaron Halofsky.
Touchdown, Butler, fumble, recovered by Butler, yes. No touchdown, wait a minute. Minutes of play, we got Butler 1st and 10 on the goal line. Go on, Butler! 2nd and goal. Goal. Got to go for 2 here.
I'm going to go for the 2-point one after. So, we got the kick from Liparillo. On a kick. Fielded by Radisky. Brings the ball up to about the 20.
I got 1st and 10 NA on the NA 20-yard line. Big defensive play there. No gain on the play. Gain a loss of about a yard on that play. Yeah, big play.
Number 30, Matt Butnick on the carry.
12. Big defensive play again. Go! Go! After that safety, shut up.
Number 30, John Hardy. Brings the ball just short of midfield for the Tornado.
10. On that play. We got 4 wideouts here. Pass play. About 2 minutes left on the clock here. Butler on the drive on their own 35-yard line. 33. Clock. Butler 3rd and 4 here for a 1st down. Ball game on the line right here. We got 4th and about 3 in order for Butler to maintain possession of the ball. 5 seconds to go. First and 10 after that reception by a lost team. Come on now. Second and 5. Be wise, be wise.
Go, Butler!
Down 4 seconds to go in the game between Butler and NA. Butler wins this. The seconds to go on the clock, 20 to 19. What an upset! Yeah! That's what they're made out of. That's what they're made. Yeah! Yeah, Butler!
Complete Kowalski for the touchdown. Liberado point after. It's Tornado time.
Here's the stadium fans. There's the bug loose on the rug.
How'd you like that, Jay?
How'd you like them apples?